few benefits of playing this etude is you get to work the forearm motion. So make sure that the forearm and the wrist of the right arm are really engaged while you're going through the string crossings in the etude. And there's a lot of them here. And make sure you do less of the elbow motion and more of the forearm and the wrist and the fingers, of course. There's an extended fourth position part that is really interesting to practice. So pay attention to the intonation. It's tricky there. I'm sure you can figure it out. And of course, the tone. You have to really pay attention to the tone. Make sure that the extension that you're dealing with quite a few times is in tune, and you're doing the best as you can to play the whole exercise in the most expressive tone that you can produce. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I ask you to visit my website where you can find more information about the lessons I teach online. Thank you for watching.